Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos, helping you learn English fast. Over recent weeks, like many of you I suspect, I haven't been able to meet up with many of my old friends because of lockdown. What I have been doing instead is phoning people a hell of a lot more than I used to. And I've also been having like Zoom meetups and that kind of thing to help me stay in touch with good friends of mine. Yesterday I had a little WhatsApp call with a couple of people I haven't spoken to for a few weeks, and we were chatting about what we think's going to happen next and what the long-term effects of coronavirus might be. And one of my friends said, "I'll tell you one thing, the coronavirus crisis has certainly put paid to my plans for the holiday." If one thing puts paid to another thing, it destroys it, it finishes it, it brings it to an end. So in other words, my friend won't be able to do what he'd been planning to do this summer. In the same way, if you're a promising young athlete and you have a terrible knee injury, you might say that the knee injury puts paid to a promising career. If you like this video, please click like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. And in the comment section below, we'd like to hear about things that have put paid to other things in your life or in your experience.